Yo, what's up, guys? I'm about to change the air filter on my 2015 Challenger Hellcat. I bought this KAX one off of Amazon. It was on sale. I got it for like 15 bucks. All the paper filters that are just like the stock one or whatever, they were like $50. And I pulled this one out of the box. It seems like a lot better quality than the paper ones. And it's some sort of different material. But it's called KAX. It seems pretty good for 15 bucks. It won't pop up when you just search it. I found it on eBay and then I price matched it on Amazon and it was on sale. But it's like 21 bucks on eBay. And I'm gonna change it out. I didn't want to spend $50 on the one of the better ones just because I'm about to get an open intake soon, and this is just to get me by because the stock one was pretty dirty. I peeked in there and it needed to be replaced. So I'm gonna replace it with this one and try it and see how it is. It might sound, I might actually hear the supercharger more because it's a lot more free flowing than the paper one, it seems like. So if y'all are looking for a cheap, get you by and pretty decent filter, this one might be pretty good because I didn't want to pay $50, or you can pay like 80 bucks and get the like K&N oiled one, but I don't need that if I'm about to get a new intake, and then this will just sit in the garage. So I just bought this one. But yeah, $15. It's not bad. So all you got to do this is take these bolts off. So you got 3 screws here and then some latches. And then I think I don't know if I have to take this piece off yet or not. I think I'm going to have to take this whole part off because last time I couldn't get the filter out of it all the way. So I just peeked in there. So I'm going to take all this off. So I got me a 10-in-1, so I can take off everything. It should be with this one screwdriver. Should be good to go. Yeah, so the only way to get it off, you're going to take this plug out and take this one hose off so you can pull the whole piece off. Because it's got these little clips and I could not get them off and out the way. So I'm going to just take this out. And it just has this little piece. You just lift it up and then you pull it out. Once I got it off, I figured I don't think to get this out, you don't need to take the piece off. But it made it a lot easier, so I just went ahead and took it off. But yeah, this is the old one. This thing is nasty. I bought this car, it's a 2015. I bought it with 8,000 miles, and a lot of the stuff hadn't been changed. So this is definitely nasty. Should have been replaced. Probably should have done it way before now, but oh well. So that was the old one, and then this is the new one. This one looks way nicer. Look, this one, and then this piece of junk. So yeah, if the material feels nicer too. So we'll slap this in. Not bad for 15 bucks. Oh yeah, fits real good in there. The other one was all warped and nasty. Make sure it's sealed real good. Alright, now we'll just slap this bad boy in. And I'll put a link on this filter in the comments or whatever. Alright, I finally got this thing back on. It was a pain in the nutsack, I swear. This little piece right here just wouldn't go on. The other two, I could either get the other two clipped in, or I could get this one lined up and it wouldn't go in at all. It's a pain in the ass. But I got it finally. So then just put your screws back in, hook your connector back up, and you should be good to go. Shouldn't take you, I don't know, it might took me 10 minutes. Most of it was me bullshitting. So, alright, she's all good to go. Yeah, no problems.